Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a new car, you're probably aware that reliability should be one of the top factors you consider before making your decision. No one wants to buy a car only to have it break down shortly after the warranty expires, or even worse, before it even reaches 60,000 miles. While it might seem like a great deal up front, some cars can end up costing you more in repairs than they're worth. That's why I'm here today, to talk about 10 of the most unreliable cars you'll want to avoid if you're planning on keeping your vehicle for the long haul. These models have proven time and time again that they just can't hold up when it comes to longevity and reliability. If you're looking for something that will last you for years without frequent repairs or costly breakdowns, this list is for you. In today's video, I'm going to break down the problems these cars face and why you should seriously think twice before buying them. So grab a seat and let's dive right in. 1. Nissan Rogue, the practical choice that comes with big problems. First up on our list is the Nissan Rogue, a compact SUV that has become quite popular for its practicality and space. On the surface, it's a great vehicle, but unfortunately, it comes with a complex engine that leads to some serious long-term problems. The Rogue uses a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with variable compression technology, which sounds impressive, but is prone to significant mechanical failures. This engine is particularly susceptible to internal bearing and link damage, causing issues like knocking sounds, power loss, and in extreme cases, engine failure. On top of that, the Rogue comes equipped with a CVT, continuously variable transmission, which is notorious for failing prematurely. Replacing a CVT is expensive, and since they are generally not rebuildable, the cost to fix it can really add up. As if that wasn't enough, the NHTSA has opened an investigation into these engine problems, which have affected hundreds of thousands of vehicles in recent years. While the Rogue is a good vehicle for leasing in the short term, if you're planning on keeping it for the long haul, the risk of expensive repairs far outweighs the benefits. Number 2. Infiniti QX50, luxury with the same engine issues. Next up, we have the Infiniti QX50, a luxury SUV that shares many of the same issues as the Nissan Rogue. The QX50 is powered by the same 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that suffers from the same variable compression technology, leading to the same internal engine damage and knocking noises. The CVT transmission in the QX50 is also a major point of failure, just like in the Rogue, which means you're looking at the same long-term reliability concerns. While the QX50 is marketed as a high-end SUV, the reality is that it shares the same unreliable powertrain as the Rogue, which diminishes its overall value. The QX50 may look appealing as a luxury SUV, but the reliability issues it shares with its more budget-friendly sibling make it a questionable investment for those who plan on keeping the car long-term. If you're after something that will last, you'll want to look elsewhere. Number 3. Ford Bronco Sport, EcoBoost woes. Next on the list is the Ford Bronco Sport, a vehicle that's built for adventure and off-roading, but is far from reliable when it comes to long-term ownership. The Bronco Sport comes with the 1.5-liter 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine, which has been plagued with numerous issues. One of the most concerning problems is a recall for cracked fuel injectors, which could potentially cause an engine fire. On top of that, the engine has been known to suffer from overheating, turbocharger failures, and cooling system leaks. These small turbocharged engines are inherently more complex and more likely to fail over time, and with the high stress placed on the engine during use, the likelihood of breakdowns is higher than with larger, simpler engines. If you're considering the Bronco Sport for the long term, you might want to reconsider unless you're ready for potentially expensive repairs down the road. Number 4. Chrysler Pacifica Plug-in Hybrid, a hybrid full of problems. If you're in need of a family vehicle, the Chrysler Pacifica Plug-in Hybrid might seem like a good choice. While the Pacifica is practical, spacious, and has plenty of great features, the hybrid version has proven to be incredibly unreliable. The hybrid system has been known to malfunction and in extreme cases even cause fires. And that's not the only issue. This vehicle also experiences engine shutdowns and various electrical problems, which makes it even more frustrating for owners who can't rely on their vehicles for everyday use. The issue is exacerbated by the fact that Chrysler technicians often struggle to diagnose and fix these problems, leading to extended repair times and frustrated owners. The hybrid Pacifica has been ranked as one of the least reliable vehicles by Consumer Reports, which should tell you all you need to know. If you're looking for a hybrid vehicle to last, the Pacifica plug-in hybrid is best avoided. 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Jeep Wrangler 4xe, hybrid off-roaders with a lot of problems. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Jeep Wrangler 4xe have been marketed as rugged hybrid vehicles capable of taking on tough terrains. However, both of these vehicles are plagued with significant reliability issues. One of the biggest concerns is the engine shutting down while driving, a serious safety risk. In addition to that, both vehicles have had issues with their hybrid batteries, which can lead to fires and drivetrain failures that can leave you stranded on the road. These models also suffer from a lack of hybrid efficiency, especially in colder weather, which makes them less efficient and harder to maintain. The premium price of these 4iZ models isn't justified by the constant repairs you'll likely face. For those who want to own a hybrid for the long term, these Jeep models should be avoided. 6. Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, full-size trucks with serious engine and transmission issues. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra have long been staples in the full-size truck market, known for their tough durability and rugged performance. However, recent models have experienced serious engine and transmission problems. Both trucks use cylinder deactivation technology to improve fuel efficiency, which sounds great in theory, but in reality, it has led to lifter failures and engine damage in many cases. This issue causes the engine to develop knocking sounds, and if left untreated, it can lead to a complete engine shutdown. In addition to the engine problems, both trucks suffer from transmission issues, including rough shifting and failure of the 10-speed automatic transmission. These trucks were once known for their reliability, but recent issues have made them much less dependable, especially for those looking to keep their truck beyond its warranty. If you're planning to buy a Silverado or Sierra, be prepared for potential high repair costs and a lot of downtime. 7. Land Rover Range Rover, luxury vehicle with a notorious reliability record. The Land Rover Range Rover is known for its luxurious interior and off-road capabilities, but when it comes to long-term reliability, it's a nightmare. While Range Rovers look stunning and perform well off-road, they are notorious for their engine and transmission problems, as well as their air suspension issues. On top of that, the electronic systems in the Range Rover are regularly problematic, with infotainment glitches, sensor malfunctions, and other electrical issues causing frequent breakdowns. Maintaining a Range Rover is expensive, especially once the warranty expires, and owners often face high repair bills for everything from engine fixes to suspension repairs. If you're looking for a luxury vehicle with strong long-term reliability, the Range Rover isn't the one for you. It's a beautiful vehicle, but requires constant maintenance and comes with a high price tag for repairs. The Toyota CHR is a small SUV that may appear to be a great option for city driving or small families, but it has several reliability issues that make it less appealing for long-term ownership. Despite Toyota's solid reputation for building durable vehicles, the CHR has been consistently plagued with CVT transmission problems. These issues often result in sluggish acceleration and an overall lackluster driving performance. This can lead to frustration, especially when trying to drive in more demanding situations, such as highway merging or accelerating from a stop. In addition to the transmission problems, many owners have experienced electrical malfunctions, including issues with the infotainment system. The problems with the infotainment system can be particularly frustrating, as it often involves unresponsive touchscreens, glitchy software, and even Bluetooth connectivity problems. These issues not only interfere with the driving experience, but can also lead to increased repair costs when the system needs to be fixed or replaced. While Toyota has earned a reputation for producing long-lasting, dependable vehicles, the CHR doesn't live up to that standard in several key areas. This compact SUV's lack of reliability, especially with its transmission and electronics, makes it a poor choice for those seeking a hassle-free, long-term vehicle. If you're looking for a Toyota SUV that can go the distance, you may want to consider models like the Toyota RAV4 or the Toyota Highlander, which have proven themselves to be much more reliable and offer better long-term performance and durability compared to the CHR. The RAV4, in particular, offers a larger, more powerful engine and a stronger track record of reliability. Number 9. Volkswagen Taos, a compact SUV with multiple reliability issues. The Volkswagen Taos might seem like an affordable and practical option, but it comes with a lot of reliability problems that you'll want to avoid. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine in the Taos has been flagged for fuel system problems, engine leaks, and even engine failure in some cases. On top of that, the dual-clutch automated manual transmission, DSG, is known for being jerky at low speeds and prone to premature failure, which can lead to costly repairs down the line. On top of these mechanical issues, the Taos is also plagued with electrical malfunctions, including problems with infotainment systems and lighting malfunctions. Repairing these issues outside of warranty can get expensive and time-consuming. If you're looking for a reliable compact SUV, the Taos is probably not the best choice. 10. Hyundai and Kia models with the 2.0-liter Theta engine, a dangerous and unreliable engine family. Finally, we have the Hyundai and Kia models equipped with the 2.0L Theta engine. This engine family has become infamous for its excessive oil consumption, knocking noises, and in the worst cases, complete engine failure. Even worse, these engines have been linked to fire risks, which has led to numerous recalls over the years. Hyundai and Kia have had to recall millions of cars equipped with this engine, but many owners still report ongoing issues even with newer models. The repair costs for these issues are astronomical, and the possibility of a fire makes these vehicles a serious safety concern. Given the ongoing recalls and class action lawsuits, these vehicles should be avoided at all costs if you're looking for a car that will last beyond 60,000 miles. So there you have it, 10 cars to avoid if you're looking for something reliable that will last you for the long term. These vehicles may look great in the showroom, but when you dig deeper, they come with a lot of hidden issues that can lead to expensive repairs and constant headaches. From engine failures to transmission issues, these cars are just not built to last. If you're planning to keep your vehicle for years, it's best to steer clear of these models. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Have you dealt with any of these cars, or have you had your own reliability nightmares? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.